guys, so now welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul from Killstar. Yes, I did some little purchase for, there's no clothing in it, no. I decided clothing will be only secondhand, even if it's Killstar or something else. I don't want to buy full price and buy something new that has been already produced, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna stick to some clothing secondhand. There's a lot of brands that I like already on Vinted, so I would definitely continue to buy on Vinted, and sometimes try to stop looking at, because it's an app, so you want to try and see your notification, and then there's a notification and there's something really good to buy. So it's a tricky app at Vinted, so yeah, but still I prefer to buy clothing on it, and there's my favorite brands also on it, so I think that's a good way to buy and not to buy something new again, and you know, a bit, I would like to say, reinforcing capitalism, but it's already, I mean, you pay taxes also for Vinted, and well, it's all capitalism. It could be a long discussion if we start on it. So anyway, let me update you a bit about my life. So I traveled alone, as you can see in my last vlog, and I lost my second cheek. I think it's a symbol of a time of my life that I really grabbed on, and I didn't want it to let go. And I, you know, just the morning just before taking the cab and going to the airport, I had a problem with my cheek, and I was like, I could fix it, but then I really realized, are you really, you know, just getting in a hurry before taking a cab, just because you want to keep this cheek? So I take it off, I smiled, and I saw that I had my dimples, and this is the first thing I really wanted. I didn't really wanted the jewelry at first, I just wanted the dimples. So I was like, you got what you wanted, so why grab on something like this? So I took out my cheeks, both of them, and now I have the dimples. So, but there's the new one there. So this is a bit like 6 months old, something like this, because when I lost my first cheek, I did this one because I knew this one will heal quicker than this one if I redo this. So I did this one, and then I really wanted to put a ring, so I put a ring on it, and it's pretty cool. I'm just checking in the mirror. I don't have my lenses, so I'm kind of looking at you, not really looking at you. If my sight is a bit like weird, it's a bit because it's blurry for me. So anyway, it's a Sunday, and today I wanted to put my glasses, but you know, I'm kind of I don't know, I really want to do the surgery because I really don't like my face with some glasses on. I can show you, I have a new pair which is really similar to the last one, like it. But yes, I don't want to do the whole video with it because, you know, I don't know, I feel like I'm really prettier without the glasses on, so I want to do this video without it, and I already saw what I'm going to show you. So anyway, today is a haul from Killstar, and it's only homeware, so let's dig in. So firstly, haunted homeware like this, it always comes in some kind of boxes like this when it's something fragile. I think this one is a ball or something like this. So it's really well protected, and then you have like this, which is a mess to to clean afterwards, but I want to keep it because if I'm posting this video, it's that I'm not really scared that you will all jinx it, but I think I'm gonna move and closer to Paris in a really small apartment, but still closer to Paris, and I really want to anyway. If it's not this one, it will be another one. So I'm trying to change a bit. It's really stupid because I did a home tour. Maybe I will do another home tour if I move. But yeah, there's a lot of things that I need to change and really just, you know, declutter, really declutter everything. I know that there's a lot of books that will go in the basement or something. I'll put it in really good plastic box so they're not damaged, and a lot of CDs too. I think that I will not have any space because that's a lot of clothes, and I am selling a lot of my clothes on Vinted too, but still there's a lot of clothing. This is how I dress. I'm like, you know, I'm like, did I use this item in the last year? Well, yes, I did, because I change like a lot. I don't know. I have some periods where you wear a lot of this skirt and then you stop and then you wear something else. But I have a lot of things that I do wear, so I want to keep them. And there's also season wise. So anyway, so the first bowl I'm going to show you is this one. And it's really fragile and it's a bit heavy, so looks like this. So you can see if you have seen it on the website. So the name is the Isolated Ball, and it's the size small. This is the size small, so yeah, pretty heavy, pretty I don't know, it's made in China, but still it feels a bit like it can break easily, but I don't know, I'll be careful with it. So anyway, I'm putting this in the box with the protection until I move. There's another thing a bit in the same area, kitchen area. So still got this thing that is really messing my apartment, and it's also a sort of ball. It looks like this, so it's the same collection as my coffin vase that I have. So I really like it. My nails are not even done, but I can feel, you know, it's not like plastic or something. I like how it's made. I really like this collection, and also, yeah, because it's a small apartment, I think I will move to. Not keeping the salad bowl, you know, fruit bowl that I have here. I think I'm gonna just put, you know, like 2 bananas, I don't know, a bit of grapes, and not an apple because I'm allergic, but you know, like an orange, and that will be it, you know. Anyway, so I think this is good for tiny places, or even for a bowl, like if you want to eat ramen or something like this. This is good size, and it's Kitsu bowl. It's the name. Yeah, like this. So this is it. Then it's not really homeware like, but it's a fan. I really wanted a sort of fan, because it's not for the moment, but it will be hotter in the few next days in Paris. I didn't even show you, so it looks like this. It arrived in a sort of pocket like this, and this is, so I don't want to break it. This is the fan. How is it called? Cottage core, yes, because it's the cottage core collection. I don't know if you can really see the print like this. So it's the new collection, cottagecore. So it has a lot of, you know, little bugs and mushrooms, and it's green and black. I don't want to destroy it. All right, it's quite long, but I really think I'm just gonna do it. No, I really think it will be necessary. And I don't know, even if maybe at home I have a problem with my own fan, it's big, it's good. And so this is from the new collection, cottagecore, but there was like 25% off. It's kind of the pre-Halloween sale, I think, so that was good. I had some discount on it. And then what I wanted to show you is the blanket. So what's the name of this blanket? It's the Royal Beast bedspread. So at first I was like, is it like only, because in French we said plaid, plaid, but it's not the same word, but it's a spread, like, but this is a bedspread, and I really thought it would be thinner. Let me show you just so you remember a bit of the pattern. It's what I have on my cushions there, clearly. I don't know, maybe I will insert a little picture. And I didn't know it will come like this. I don't think on the website they show that it's reversible, and really nice. It's really big and comfy, and I really think that I will be just really cozy at home with something like this. So this also I really wanted to keep all brand new for when I move, so I'm gonna put it here and back in the box. And then what I also got is from the cottagecore collection, which was on sale, and it's a doormat. So you can see how large it is. You can see magic happens inside. I don't really like you can see the Killstar logo. It's not really, you know, like, hello, Killstar home here. Well, it's a bit true, but I like the mushrooms. I like that it's black. I like that there's some butterflies on it, little leaves there. And the other side is really, you know, there's a grip, like it's not slippery. So I really think that it will be good. I don't know. I think it will be good just if I have my home, you know, my own, the home I will stay, the home that will be really mine, and I will really can project myself to stay in. Having something like this just in front of my door is cool, because I don't have any for now. So yeah, that's it. Why did I want to update you also? I think that is it. For now, I'm feeling way better than when I was at the hospital, when I did some bit of videos. Then, you know, after the hospital I had my holidays, and now I'm back at work and everything is fine for now. So what can I say? It's a good period for me. I hope it will stay like this, and I will really, I'm excited to move, and I can't look more than forward to be in my new home. And I can feel that this is an apartment that I like. It's all clean and white and bright, and but there's too much of the old Lorna energy inside here, so I got to go. So yeah, that's it. Well, thank you again for watching. Do not hesitate to comment, subscribe, like, only if you're a bit shy to put a comment underneath, and I see you in my next video. Cheers.